The truth about video SEO: how to rank #1 on YouTube. Don't neglect to enter the proper details on the backend so search engine crawlers understand how to categorize and prioritize your video. Video transcripts represent a massive asset for search because they are sometimes crawled by search engines. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about video SEO: how to rank #1 on YouTube. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Brian Dean, a search engine marketing expert, suggests that you can receive a minor video SEO boost by placing your keyword at the start of the title. YouTube gives out 3 primary ingredients in search benefits. Eventually, YouTube will observe this and begin suggesting it. YouTube can choose the heat of pretty much whatever sorts of links you wish to throw at it. YouTube is the second biggest search engine. YouTube is the second biggest search engine and videos are definitely the most engaging content on the internet nowadays. YouTube would like to realize that folks are interacting with the video. This is the reason why YouTube has come to be among the most influential kinds of online communication. What you don't know about video SEO: how to rank #1 on YouTube. Make sure your video educates. There are all types of practical things that you can do in order to optimize your videos for search. Shoddy videos are somewhat more likely to receive more dislikes. Creating videos isn't enough, you have to actually publish your videos on your site everywhere it is reasonable. If you've uploaded a few videos, you may make a playlist to secure more views. Hosting a low-quality video with little if any context is likely to make your rank plummet. When building links at YouTube videos, you want to be mindful. YouTube videos should also be SEO optimized in order to receive ranking into search result. I assume that you've nice content and you'll share and promote your video to receive inorganic views. The title of your YouTube video is among the direct, hard-hitting factors where you are able to place your keywords in. You have to play your video in various windows. As a result, if you would like your video to become noticed by Google, you will need to receive your video on social networks. It's pretty clear that you're publishing videos for them to be viewed. If you may produce a video your viewers are contented with it, your video is going to have a fantastic rank. Now you know exactly how powerful video is, and the way it can affect your company. Let's look at a few search engine marketing tricks which will really help you rank with your videos in Google searches. Ranking videos may be an amazing supply of traffic. There's not anything wrong with ranking videos for low competition keywords and is really the route I recommend you take. Definitions of video SEO: how to rank #1 on YouTube. Speaking of making your video, you can continue reading to find additional information. The description should tell your audience precisely what the video is all about, in only a few words. More information and details can be discovered in SEO. You'll have a list of possible videos to create in no moment. When you add a link, you will need to improve the remaining part of the video description. For example, you could aim to boost your website's traffic by a specific percentage or sell a certain number of the item. The content and level of your video also matter. In a noisy world, SEO is among the best ways for businesses to be viewed by their target audiences. It's potentially the most important thing in your YouTube SEO. Since Google favors sites that contain video content, this may be an extremely efficient way to find a more effective web presence. Such as Google, YouTube also utilizes a broad range of metrics so as to rank videos. Minitool Movie Maker is recommended here in order to help you produce wonderful videos due to its powerful functions. Due to a successful YouTube SEO strategy, some companies have produced it to the very first page and inside this step-by-step guide. We will explain how to do it. Your YouTube marketing program should target long tail and not as competitive key terms. There are approximately 14 options that you are able to use to make the most of the visibility of your video content. There are advantages and drawbacks to every choice, and based on your aims, you might even wish to incorporate both of them into your general video strategy. The search engine optimization benefits of adding short transcripts can be found from the very first day or two. These tend to get a positive effect on views and also on rankings. In case the answer is yes, you're on the proper track. Your finished video will almost certainly be content-rich, useful, and simple to optimize. Another idea may be to analyze the most well-known videos in your specialty. Getting keyword idea is among the important portion of SEO. You can't think all potential keyword phrases to put in your video. Here I'm using the Google Display Planner tool to find keyword ideas. Basically, Google has two such tools, Keyword Planner and Display Planner. I advise you to use Display Planner as a way to acquire relevant keywords and phrases. The same holds for video advertising. It is possible to see everything in place, but if nobody is watching your video or the reviews aren't right, then there isn't any way you'll be able to acquire superior rankings on YouTube. Your video's total watch time creates a big difference. Start with the most suitable foot. There's nothing more important than the commencement of your video to retain your viewers. Video SEO: How to rank #1 on YouTube, the conspiracy. After you've optimized and uploaded your videos, you will want in order to monitor and analyze their performance. As a result, if you prefer your video to become noticed by Google, you will need to receive your video on social networks. It's pretty clear that you're publishing videos for them to be viewed. With that caveat out the way, there are a couple of ways in which video can result in your search engine optimization strategy. It is a vital part of content strategy, but it's not the only thing you need to be paying attention to. Therefore, if you're able to get your video to show up next to a really common video, you steal a few of their views. Hosting a low-quality video with little if any context is likely to make your rank plummet. When it has to do with video, tags actually conduct matter. There are all sorts of practical things that you can do in order to optimize your videos for search. In that case, here's how it is possible to optimize a video on your own website. You must play your video in various windows. Video has countless advantages to your ROI. Among the things you'll notice watching lots of videos on YouTube, is that numerous channels create video series following a frequent thread. If you upload plenty of videos to YouTube, research branding your work with a personalized intro and outro. Just locate a question in the community your video might help answer. Self-hosted videos frequently don't become much attention without some outside assistance. Now you know exactly how powerful video is, and the way it can affect your enterprise. Let's look at a few search engine optimization tricks which will really help you rank with your videos in Google searches. People today like to watch videos, and videos can allow you to sell more products or solutions. When you have your video prepared to go, it's necessary for you to choose if you're likely to host that video on YouTube or on your real site. Creating videos isn't enough, you should actually publish your videos on your site everywhere it is logical. When you make it simple for other people to embed your videos on the site, you're probably going to observe a rise in inbound links, which is a very clear boost to your search engine marketing efforts. Video may be an important contributor to your overall SEO and digital advertising strategy, but it's vital to be crystal clear on how video is likely to help you attain your promotion and SEO goals. Shoddy videos are somewhat more likely to receive more dislikes. Individuals are more inclined to watch several videos if you've already done the work of turning them in a playlist. You'll have a list of prospective videos to create in no moment. You may also employ any variety of marketing strategies to receive your video facing a target audience. Because the number and caliber of your video views are among the most significant YouTube ranking elements, getting views from targeted communities works wonders. Video SEO: How to rank #1 on YouTube for dummies. You are able to afford to try and acquire your video ranked for the more competitive key phrases. Whenever you have your videos prepared to go and would like to begin driving traffic to them, it's time to market the heck out of them. If you would like to include your videos into your present website or societal media platforms, you can have a look at a number of the popular video platforms like Wistia or Vidyard, which enable you to incorporate video anywhere you would like. YouTube videos also have to be SEO optimized in order to receive ranking into search result. I assume you have nice content and you'll share and promote your video to receive inorganic views. The title of your YouTube video is among the direct, hard-hitting factors where you are able to set your keywords in. A super optimized YouTube video possesses the potential to achieve millions of people that right now are searching for your goods and ideas. Part of ranking focuses on the quantity of time people spend watching your videos. Just enjoy the sum of time someone spends on your site. Video isn't the only content you've got on your page. If your video is all about the best way to make donuts ice cream cones, how to order it yourself would naturally fall in the start of the title, but that might not always be the scenario based on your search phrases. To ensure it gets great results, you will need to go beyond optimizing the website content for SEO. Ranking videos may be a brilliant supply of traffic. There's not anything wrong with ranking videos for low competition keywords and is in fact the route I advise you to take. Type of video SEO: how to rank number 1 on YouTube. Part of ranking focuses on the quantity of time people spend watching your videos. Just enjoy the sum of time someone spends on your site. Whenever you have your videos prepared to go and would like to begin driving traffic to them, it's time to encourage the heck out of them. Video isn't the only content you've got on your page. It is the easiest way to make people stay. To make sure your video becomes great benefits, you will have to go beyond optimizing the site content for SEO. If you prefer to include your videos into your current website or societal media platforms, you can have a look at a number of the popular video platforms like Wistia or Vidyard, which enable you to incorporate video anywhere you would like. The insider secret on video SEO: how to rank number 1 on YouTube uncovered. You might never get your money back since there are so many things that may fail. Naturally, nobody denies the advantages of desktop views. With a little work, you can earn a true effect on your ranking. So now you recognize the importance of constructing a sitemap for your site. Google would like to encourage folks to upload more content to its own site. After all, the very first thing that you ought to do when thinking about incorporating SEO into your video plan is to understand what you wish to achieve with this. There are different ways the search engines can discover that the links are being sold, meaning some links on specific websites might never count in the various search engines. When you're finished, you'll want to bring the neighborhood search engine to your rank tracker workspace. Put simply, it is a page or pages which include a list of and link to all the other documents on your website. Search engine spiders can also quickly find and index every page of your website in the least quantity of time. By way of example, let's say you have a website around dating. If you're hosting on your own site, the description can help users decide in the event the video content is really what they want to get, and whether they would like to watch it. If you wish to compare the site's ranking outcomes of the prior checks, there's a somewhat handy trick you may use. It's unrealistic to say you would like your website to rank number 1 on Google for a specific search phrase, as there isn't any such thing as absolute Google rankings. Additionally, your website will automatically rank better, provided the content is current and related to your audience. You most likely already have some content collaborations or marketing and advertising partnerships with different professionals or organizations to extend your reach to their platforms too. You are interested in being very thorough with your search engine optimization content. With your clearly defined goals, you will understand how to publish and foster the content. If video content are part of your advertising program, you also have to be thinking about YouTube optimization. If you're creating high-quality video content and making certain your page covers all search engine optimization components, your site will gradually move to the peak of the result pages. Thanks for watching my video about video SEO how to rank number 1 on YouTube. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.